working way down the corridor. The Docet Lector. We have tubes in here. Let's go in. Okay. We're in the middle of a listening session. I'm going to try to get the front seat here.
You are the angel glow that lights a star, the dearest things I know.
Neat acoustic loudspeakers.
Someday my happy arms will hold you, and someday
Lector amplifiers.
I know that moment's divine, when all the things you are.
Very smooth sound. A little bit of mid-bass overhang. Look at the turntable. That's let's see what is air bearing. The sound of valves.
You are the angel glow that lights a star, the dearest thing.
It's a beautiful setup.
Of what you are.